How do I activate split screen mode in Battlefield?
Hello and welcome to our guide on activating split screen mode in Battlefield. This guide is designed to help you set up and play Battlefield in split screen mode with your friends. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Battlefield doesn't support split screen mode directly, but we can find workarounds for certain consoles or games in the Battlefield series. So, let's get started.
Understanding the basics of split screen mode.
Split screen gaming is a type of multiplayer gaming where two or more players can play on the same screen. This is a popular feature in many games as it allows friends and family to play together on a single console. However, it's important to note that not all games support split screen gaming. As of 2021, Battlefield does not officially support split screen mode in any of its games. The developers have opted to focus on online multiplayer experiences.
Using workarounds for split screen gaming.
Even though Battlefield does not officially support split screen mode, players have found workarounds. For example, you could use multiple consoles or PCs in the same room, connected to different screens. While not true split screen, this method does allow for local multiplayer gaming. Here's what you'd need to do. 1. Set up multiple consoles or PCs. Each player would need their own console or PC. 2. Connect each console or PC to its own screen. This could be a TV or monitor. 3. Ensure each console or PC has a copy of the Battlefield game. You would need a copy of the game for each console or PC. 4. Connect all consoles or PCs to the same network. This can be done either through a wired or wireless connection. 5. Create a private multiplayer game. One player would need to create a multiplayer game and the others would join this game. In conclusion, while Battlefield does not officially support split-screen gameplay, there are workarounds that can give you a similar experience. Remember, the true joy of gaming is having fun, whether it's online or with friends in the same room. We hope this guide has been helpful. Happy gaming!